Hello, my beautiful mommy and ladies out there. So, today I'm going to be doing a power hour clean with me. So, on this particular video, I will be cleaning my bedroom, my kitchen, and my bathroom. So, this is not a deep cleaning, just in order to like tidy up and pick any stuff that is on the floor. So, that is why I used to do this like twice a week before finally doing a deep cleaning, but this is not a really a deep cleaning. So you can also try this if you're a busy mom or a stay-at-home wife. You can also try and keep your apartment clean. So on this particular video, I'm just going to be like picking up any stuff that is unpickable. So just have to pick it and put it in order. So, and also you will notice that this video some of the clips are missing, but I'm going to try as much as possible to make it enjoyable. So if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and my name is Juliet. And don't forget to like subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm going to be seeing you next time so that you guys will enjoy this video. guys, this is going to be a quick disclaimer, because earlier I said that some clips are missing because my phone that I used to film this video on that particular day was not good. It has a fault. The phone has spoiled, so I don't have any other choice than to like transfer the data from the SD because the original video was in that phone that spoiled. So I took the SD and just put the SD card in another phone, but then I transfer it to my laptop. But unfortunately I couldn't get the original clips. That is why I just have to record it from my laptop.